Be ready, 5 seconds.
In our everyday activities, we create a lot of waste. We dispose of old clothes, tins, bottles, paper, peels of vegetables and fruits, plastic wrappers, pencil shavings, old batteries, and so many other things. We try to throw the waste away, but sometimes we see that it ends up in garbage piles. These are the piles of waste that you see around your home, school, or in the neighborhood. We need to learn to manage waste. Managing waste is in our own hands. Each one of us has to learn to manage waste. We can learn from people and places that are managing their waste well. Very often, you will find trash on the roadside, near houses and yards. Cows and other animals can die by eating plastic mixed with food. Some people burn plastic, which releases harmful gases. People start falling ill because of all the garbage around them. Puddles and wastewater can be seen flowing through the roads. This leads to an increase in mosquitoes. This can cause diseases through their bites. The wastewater may carry germs that cause other diseases. But in some places, people have worked very hard to clean their houses and surroundings. We will learn how they do this. Many people avoid food and drinks packed in wrappers or plastic bottles and use cloth bags in place of plastic bags to reduce waste. How can you help in reducing waste? Be a part of the cleanliness drive by sharing your old toys and books with those who need them but cannot afford to buy them. In what other ways can you help? The more things we buy, the more things we throw away, and the more waste gets created. We should try to buy things that we need and use them until they are not usable anymore. We can try to create as little waste as possible. The second thing many people do is that they reuse things instead of throwing them away. Our grandparents did not throw away old clothes. They made quilts from old saris and bags from old clothes. Sometimes they also give old clothes to those who are in need of clothes. The use of newspapers or old cloth for gift wrapping is an eco friendly practice that reduces waste and conserves resources. By creatively utilizing these items, we not only reduce our waste but also add a personalized touch to our gifts. Today, let's take a tour of a village called Siluk in Arunachal Pradesh. As we enter the village, we notice clean roads. There is no trash lying on the roadsides or in corners or open spaces. The streets lined with trees feel as if we are walking in a garden. This village has received an award for managing its waste in the best possible way. It is called a zero waste village. Like Siluk, there are many more villages in our country that are a model for waste management practices. Several other towns and cities, such as Indore and Mysuru, stand out for being clean cities. If you look around, you will notice dustbins of two colors. These could be placed in your school, local market, park, or at a bus stand or railway platform. Why are these two kinds of dustbins used? The green dustbin is used for things like dried leaves or branches, fruit peels, vegetable waste, or egg shells. These materials rot easily and mix with the soil. Waste in the green dustbin can be added to soil where it gets converted into compost food for plants and for tiny animals that live in the soil.